Justin Trudeau's resignation as Canada's Prime Minister marks a significant turning point for the nation's immigration policies. Trudeau, a steadfast advocate of high immigration levels, positioned Canada as a global leader in welcoming immigrants. Starting with 65,000 Syrian refugees between 2016 and 2018, Trudeau's policies aim to make Canada a beacon of hope. However, these ambitious targets led to rising housing costs and strained healthcare systems, causing public unease. Economists blame these policies for high inflation and housing shortages in Toronto and Vancouver. Public support for high immigration levels has dramatically flipped, with 58% of Canadians now believing there are too many immigrants. In response, the Liberal government recently scaled back immigration annual levels for both permanent and temporary immigrants. Trudeau's resignation leaves Canada's immigration policy at a crossroads, with several critical initiatives now in limbo. One such initiative is the Lost Canadians Bill, which aimed to extend citizenship by descent beyond the first generation. The shelving of this bill symbolizes a broader shift away from Trudeau's doors-wide-open immigration policies. The Caregiver program, long criticized for its inefficiencies, was poised for significant revisions under Trudeau's government. Trudeau's resignation has halted any hope of planned changes, leaving thousands of caregivers and their employers in limbo. Temporary resident programs expanded under Trudeau, but reports of fraud marred these initiatives. With Trudeau's resignation, expect continued tightening of rules for temporary workers and international students. In November 2024, plans to reform Canada's refugee system aim to expedite the refusal of unlikely asylum claims. The backlog of refugee claimants has ballooned to 260,000, awaiting hearings. Canada is entering a period of political uncertainty, with new legislative action stalled until at least late 2025. A Conservative-led government is expected to take a more cautious approach to immigration, emphasizing stricter controls. Balancing economic needs with public opinion will be crucial for the next leader. Investments in housing, healthcare, and language training will be essential for successful newcomer integration. Trudeau's resignation represents a pivotal moment for Canada's immigration policies, with the next leader charting a sustainable path forward.